Hello my dear viewers. Today I'm gonna make mixed pilaf for you. Let's hop into the video. I'm gonna share the recipe with you in the description. I'm gonna use 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of bulgur wheat, 1 cup of buckwheat, 1 bell pepper, 1 tomato, 1 plate of meat and 2 onions. Now I'm gonna add some butter and some oil to the pan and start mixing it. Now I'm gonna add 1 sliced onion to the pan. And start mixing it. When the onion is fully roasted, we're gonna add salt as you like. 1 bell pepper. And start mixing it. While I am mixing this, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel to help me out. After pepper is roasted too, we're gonna add 1 tomato into the pan and start roasting it, mix it again. And after it's fully roasted, we're gonna add 1 plate of meat of your choice. It can either be chicken, meat or anything you want. And we start to mix it again. After we cook it for a little, you're gonna add spice of your choice and start mixing it again. We are adding freshly washed rice, buckwheat and bulgur. And after that, we are adding hot water into the pan. And after we mix it with water, we're gonna close the lid of the pan and let it cook. The water has dried up and now I'm gonna let it brew. As you can see, the food is fully cooked. I made mixed pilaf for you. Let's serve it. You can serve it with greens of your choice. As you can see, the food is served. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like my video. See you later.